Alright, so we are in Lawrence, South Carolina, and we went to go start getting our holes to find our rafters, and we found that the wires are running on top of the rafters, so we have to strip it out and add 1x4s across everything so that we can screw our plywood down without hitting any of the wires.
No.
It is now. Well, we're starting to set up for the outside edge 2x4s. We got Billy in here. We're going ahead and putting screws in. We've already got the 2x4s up here on this side, up to the peak. All the way up. Alright, this is it for day one in Lawrence, South Carolina. Got 2x4s on, got it ready to go tomorrow for glue and metal. But this is all for day one. Day two of being in Lawrence on this roof. Got all the metal up on this one side. Well, we have the whole roof glued down completely. About to start our turn bar in a minute. We have started our seam with this. We roll it on both sides. That way it gives it a secure stick. We let it dry for about a minute, minute and a half. And then we put this on. Alright, we've got all of our metal up and we have started to put turn bar on all the way around. Then we're going to come back through here and cut all that extra rubber off. Oh, shit. Pull the rubber down. We've already got it screwed and he's just going back in and screwing it all the way off. As you see, he pulled the rubber down before he put the screw in and gave it a tight bond. This is what the finished product is going to look like. We have already got our turn bar all the way down, screwed off, and came back through and cut all the extra rubber off. Well, we are finished with this trailer here in Lawrence, South Carolina. We are putting the final screws in it now, and then all we have to do is go back and cut all of our excess rubber off. But this job is finished. This is the final walk around of the house we have done in Lawrence, South Carolina.